Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. In today's short video, I'm going to be talking about crypto exchanges and which crypto exchanges you should be using whether you're trading the crypto spot market or the crypto futures market. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel, if you are interested in trading and would like to try out the same exchange that I use, feel free to go ahead and check out the MEXC crypto exchange with the link in the video description below this video. I personally love this exchange because one, as you guys can clearly see, they've got extremely cheap fees across the board for both the crypto spot market and the crypto futures market. And in addition to that, you guys, they've got over 1,500 altcoins for altcoin nerds like myself to be able to trade at any given time. So when a cool new coin comes out, MEXC, along with a couple others, are pretty much the only ones that have them. So that's another big reason why I love them. So guys, here's the thing, all right? With cryptocurrency exchanges, here's the thing, okay? Depending on what kind of trader you are, you're going to want to trade on an exchange that has low fees, plenty of liquidity, a good amount of daily trading volume, and plenty of altcoins to choose from, you know, if you're planning on trading altcoins anyway. In addition, choosing an exchange is also going to depend on where you're geographically located as well, especially since the United States is, you know, pretty hell-bent lately on trying to bring crypto down, and many exchanges won't even allow US traders, you know, to use their platforms anymore unless they're using a VPN. So, luckily for you guys, I have got a very handy crypto exchange comparison chart that I created a very long time ago that I've been updating regularly for videos just like this, all right? So guys, the first thing we're going to start off here is KYC, okay? So for those of you who aren't familiar with KYC, it pretty much stands for Know Your Customer, all right? So basically what that means is when you sign up to a new exchange, if they require KYC requirements, they're going to ask you for your personal information, okay? Now, with crypto, you want things to be decentralized. If you value your privacy, you don't want to have to hand over your personal information, which is why some of them require KYC and others don't require KYC, all right? So that's one of the first things we're going to talk about here. So as you guys can clearly see, I've got a KYC column right here. And as you guys can see, Coinbase does require KYC. MEXC does not require KYC. The way that you do this on MEXC is you have to sign up with your phone number. Do not sign up with your email address, all right? And on top of that, KuCoin requires KYC. Binance requires KYC. Pretty much all of them require KYC except for MEXC, Binance, Huobi Global, Bybit, and OKX, all right? So if you value your privacy and you don't want to hand over your personal information, you're going to need to go with these four exchanges, all right? Or sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exchanges. Sorry about that. All right, now the next thing you want to be looking at is trading fees, all right? Now this is going to be dependent on whether or not you're trading the futures market or the spot market, but I've got the fees for both markets for each exchange listed right here. So as you guys can clearly see, MEXC for the futures market, MEXC is pretty much the cheapest right now. As I was showing you guys before, they have 0% spot market fees for maker and taker, and 0% fees for, maker fee in the futures market, and 0.01% taker fee in the futures market. So realistically, right now, MEXC has the cheapest fees, all right, for the futures market anyway. Now, when we're talking about spot fees, MEXC, as of right now, again, the cheapest fees out there, 0% fee, 0% fees whatsoever. So again, that is very nice as well. But as you guys can clearly see, there are some that are pretty cheap as well. In addition to that, we've got KuCoin at 0.1%, we've got Binance at 0.1%, we've also got Bybit at 0.1%, and OKX at 0.1% as well. So, it all depends on what you're personally looking for in a crypto exchange to decide which one you want, okay? Now, the next thing we're going to talk about here is coins supported. Now, this is going to be for, people who are altcoin nerds such as myself, who love to be able to buy, all the latest brand new small cap altcoins that are out there. So if you are like me and you're looking to buy, brand new small cap altcoins, you're going to want an exchange with a lot of altcoins to trade. So again, that's going to be MEXC or Gate.io. But realistically, I mean, to be honest with you, KuCoin is also a very good exchange for this as well. They also add all kinds of new altcoins on a regular basis as well. All right. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is depositing. Okay. Because, when you're depositing money into it, it's all going to depend. Some people, everybody does it differently. For me, for instance, what I do is I pretty much use Coinbase as my on-ramp from my bank account. So basically, I buy everything. When I do deposit new money into the market, I pretty much deposit it from Coinbase, and then I just transfer everything from Coinbase over to MEXC, where I do all of my buying and selling and trading and all that stuff like that. All right. So realistically, as you guys can see here, pretty much every exchange has a easy way to get your money into the exchange. As you guys can clearly see, we've got bank transfers, we got wire transfers, we've got debit cards, credit cards, and Coinbase even accepts PayPal. So realistically, there's all kinds of different options here for you. All right. Now, the next thing I want to talk about here is customer support, because yes, I have made accounts on all of these exchanges in the past, and I have tested out all of their customer support, okay? And specifically for this reason. Now, the worst customer support out there, definitely Coinbase. I don't know what it is. I mean, they are the practically, outside of Binance, they are one of the most popular crypto exchanges out there. I'm honestly surprised that their support sucks so bad. I mean, it really does. So realistically here, you guys, as you guys can clearly see, MEXC has the worst support that I have personally came across with anyway. All the ones that you see with 8 out of 10, realistically, these are the ones you're going to want if customer support is a big thing for you. And all the ones with 8 out of 10, I would personally have no problem, reaching out to for support if I ever needed anything. So realistically, anything with any of these 7 out of 10s or 8 out of 10s, again, if customer support is a big thing to you, you're going to want to choose one of those. All right. Now, the next thing I want to talk about here is best features, because each one of these exchanges has a best feature. All right. We've got Coinbase. It's just extremely easy to use. It always has been. MEXC, they've got so many altcoins to be able to trade. KuCoin, they've got some awesome trading bots. Binance US, I'm honestly really not sure, because they kind of, I mean, to be honest with you, outside of just trading and stuff like that, they're kind of just bare bones, to be honest with you. Next up, we've got Kraken with, their live chat support. They are very phenomenal about reaching out to people and responding to people's requests. And then next, we've got Binance. They've got, they're by far the highest volume CEX. And next up, we've got Gate.io. Again, same thing as MEXC. They've got all kinds of different altcoins, more than MEXC actually. Then Bitfinex, they've got some awesome staking opportunities. Huobi Global, they've got awesome trading bots. So does Bybit. And then OKX, they've just got way too many features to even list here. I couldn't even figure out, which features are the best, I guess you could say. But realistically here, OKX's features are pretty much about the same as KuCoin's. KuCoin has all kinds of different features as well. So realistically, both, if you're looking for something with a ton of different features, OKX and KuCoin, they probably have the most and the best features out there in a crypto exchange. All right. So overall here, you guys, there are literally a ton, and I mean a ton of good quality exchanges to choose from. I mean, realistically. And honestly, the decision is entirely up to you, all right? Depending on what will work best for the type of trading that you will be doing on a regular basis, and how much you want to pay for trading fees and stuff like that, all right? So overall here, though, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it. Now, if any of you guys have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me in my Discord community server, which you can find a link to in the description below this video as well. But overall here, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you all in the comment section down below of my future videos.